Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very flavorful and delicious Tibetan noodle soup recipe, which is chicken Tupa, perfect to enjoy during the winters. Tupa is basically a noodle soup which can be prepared in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian versions, but the most popular is chicken Tupa. So friends, let's get started with this delicious soup recipe, which is going to be your favorite meal during this winters. So to make thuppa, I have taken here some shredded cabbage, carrots cut into long strips, coriander or cilantro leaves, chopped spring onions as well as the white part of spring onion. If you are vegetarian, you can include these veggies to make veg thuppa. But since I am making chicken thuppa, I'll be using a chicken breast which I will boil now. For that, heat some water in a saucepan and to it goes some salt. Then goes a pinch of black pepper, around half teaspoon of minced garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of minced ginger. And into this goes the chicken breast. And will boil until the chicken breast is well cooked, and since we have added minced garlic ginger, the chicken breast will absorb all its flavor while getting cooked, and this will also make our chicken stock flavorful and delicious. And after 10 minutes our chicken breast is cooked through, so I will take it off and allow it to cool down slightly. And once it has cooled down slightly, I will slice the chicken breast lengthwise in this way. If you want smaller portions, you can cut them into small to medium chunks also. So slicing is done, and now we shall start making the soup. For that, heat a pot or wok, and into it goes around 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And when the oil is hot, goes some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Then goes few minced ginger and half teaspoon of chili flakes. You can add chili flakes according to your spice level. Now saute them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Next goes the shredded cabbage, the carrot strips and the white part of the spring onions. And on medium to high flame, we will stir them for a few seconds until the color slightly changes. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this well. And now time to add our flavorful chicken stock, which is going to make our thuppa so very delicious. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of dark soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of tomato chili sauce. Mix this well. And at this stage, we'll add the boiled and sliced chicken breast. Give this a mix, and we'll let the chicken slices and the veggies simmer in the stock for about 3 to 4 minutes. And after 3 to 4 minutes goes a small bowl of corn flour slurry. This will make our thuppa thick. And finally goes the green part of spring onions and the chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. And we'll let the thuppa simmer for another 2 minutes. And by now our chicken thuppa is ready to be served hot. So first I will add some boiled noodles in my noodle bowl, followed by some generous amount of the hot and delicious chicken thuppa. This is such a yummy and flavorful noodle soup and has been my all-time favorite soup recipe, which I love to enjoy, especially during the chilling winters. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious noodle soup recipe and enjoy with your loved ones. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more yummy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.